bricks more?
I'm guessing some of them were painted originally in like the early 1900s, and they are called ghost signs. People have named them that because they're kind of faded. Some of them, at least, are faded and kind of ghosty, so to speak.
Originally, those ghostly signs were bright and colorful, but over the years, the weather washed out all the color. Craig Stump started painting signs back in the 70s when everything was done by hand. Stump says some of those signs have since been repainted, but others have not. Stump says over time styles have changed, but he believes there is somewhat of a global perspective.
One of the advantages of historic buildings and historic signs, because they were with the historic buildings, is that they show a different era that we lived in. And also you'll notice they had, I think it shows a different attitude towards building and signs.
Stump says now lines are more simple and clean, but believes back in the old days there was a quality and richness from hand painting.
But there really is an art form that can come through someone who's doing something by hand, so to speak, if they're doing it well. And that comes forth and it's shown, and you can see it.
In Rapid City, I'm Tessa Thomas, Black Hills Fox News.